If you find yourself in a position where you need to record some online interviews for whatever you might want to use it for, but you don't want to go live, let me show you in this video how easy it is to do using StreamYard. StreamYard is sponsoring this video, and I use it as my go-to live streaming platform. But there's an easy way in StreamYard to do an interview and record it without going live. So let me show you that on the computer. Once you have your StreamYard account, this is exactly what your dashboard will look like. It's going to keep every time you've done a recording here. Actually, whether you record or go live, it's always going to look this way. You can tell that I do a lot of tests here. But you also have your destinations up here. That's where you're connected to. But this is about just literally recording it without going live. So you do create a broadcast, and you have these options. Now, these are all the places I'm connected to. But if I don't want to do any of those right here, I do skip record only. Give it a title. So we'll say record without, if I can type, live. And we're going to create a broadcast. So when you get here, it does this. There's me. Enter the studio. You want to add yourself to the stream, and it's that easy. So right now, if I had a guest, they would be popping up down at the bottom in the little green screen room, or the back, whatever you want to call it. It's the backstage room. But right now, all I would need to do is hit record right here, and it starts going. So if I had a guest on right now, we would be recording. And what's really cool is when you're done, you just do end broadcast. It's always going to ask you, how'd it go? And then you go back to your dashboard, go to past broadcasts, and there it is right there. Now it says 10 seconds. We didn't go that long. And from here, you can go back into the studio, but you can download the recording, and you have the option of downloading it as a video or audio only. I usually just do the video and then strip out the audio, but you have that option. And that's how easy it is to record an interview without going live in StreamYard. If you want to check it out, there's a link down in the description. I think you're going to enjoy it, and you can use it for free as well. So let me know in the comments what you think. If this helped you out, give me a like if you want to. Maybe even subscribe. You're not going to hurt my feelings. But I really appreciate you being here. Keep using your gifts. Make an impact in the world. I'm Kevin. I'll see you in the next video.